In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare Google Calendar. If you've given colleagues or friends access to a calendar and wanted to take that back, maybe the project ended or you just want more privacy, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove their access safely. Start by opening Google Calendar in a desktop browser and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the calendar. On the left, look for the My Calendar section. If you don't see your list, click the small arrow to expand it. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to stop sharing. A set of 3 vertical dots, the options menu, will appear. Click it. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the calendar's settings page dedicated to who can see and do what with the specific calendar. Scroll to the section labeled Share with Specific People and Groups. Here you'll see everyone who currently has access, along with the permission level they were granted. Find the person you want to remove and click the X to the right of their name. If a confirmation appears, approve it. Their access is revoked immediately and they'll no longer see this calendar in their calendar list or receive updates from it. Repeat the same action for any other people you want to unshare with. A couple of quick notes while you're here. You might notice a public access section. Unless you intentionally made this calendar public, it's best left disabled so the calendar isn't visible to anyone on the web. Also, unsharing doesn't delete your events. It simply removes other people's ability to view or edit them going forward. Past email invitations they already received won't be retracted, but they won't get new updates from this calendar. If you can't click the X, you likely don't have permission to manage sharing on this calendar. Only the owner or someone with Make Changes and Manage Sharing can remove others, so you may need to ask the owner to do it. And if changes don't appear right away, refresh the page to update the sharing list. That's it. Open Google Calendar, use the 3-dot menu next to the calendar name, head into Settings and Sharing, and remove people using the X next to their names. With these steps, you stay in control of who can see your schedule while keeping your events intact. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along in real time.